Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to take the topic subtracting by borrowing. Subtracting by borrowing. What is this method and how we are going to solve? Let's see. Textbook page number 25. See here. Uh, See the examples. Here we have to subtract 7,448 from 9,072. So how to solve? First we write the numbers vertically. So first arrange these numbers vertically and you know how to arrange. So see first which number we arrange? 9072. So 2 is comes at the unit place, 7 at the tens place, 0 at the hundred place and 9 at the thousand place. Now we arrange the second number 7548. So 8 is comes at the unit place, 4 tens, 500, 7000. Now subtract it. So at the unit place we have 2 and 8. We have to subtract 8 unit from 2 unit. Can we subtract 8 from 2? No, we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So for that we untie 110 from 710. Means we borrow 110 from 710. So it will be 6. It will be 6 in the tens place and at the unit place. At the unit place see 110 equal to 10 units and 10 plus 2 12 units. So at the unit place we have 12. So 12 minus 8 4. Now at the tens place 6 minus 4 2. Now see at the hundred place again we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we untie 1000 from 9000. So 8 remains at the thousand place and at the hundred place 0 is see 1000 equal to 1000. So at the hundred place 0 is 10. Now 10 minus 5 5, 8 minus 7 1. So here we get the answer 1524. Now come to the next example, example 2. Here we have to subtract 967 from 5000. So first we arrange these numbers vertically. So see first we arrange the 5000. So 0 is comes at the unit place, tens and hundred place and 5 comes at the thousand place. Now we arrange the second number 967. So 7 is comes at the unit place, 6 tens 900. Now subtract it. See at the unit place we cannot subtract 7 from 0. So we untie 1 tens but there is 0 at the tens and hundred place. Therefore we will untie 1000 from 5000. So it will be 4 and at the hundred place this 0 is 10. Now we untie 100 from 1000. So here 9 and at the tens place here is 10. Now we untie 1 tens from 10 tens. So it will be 9 and at the unit place 10. Now 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 9 0 and there is nothing to subtract from 4000. So this is 4. So here we get the answer 4033. Now let's solve the exercise textbook page number 25. See the first question is subtract. Here the numbers are already arranged. We have to just find the difference or subtract it. Subtract the given numbers. So let's solve and find the difference. See the first one. Here the numbers are given 4215 and 2649. Here we have to subtract 2649 from 4250. 15. See at the unit place. At the unit place we have 5 and 9. We cannot subtract 9 unit from 5 unit. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place we have 1. So it will be 0 and 5 at the unit place is 15. Now 15 minus 9 6. Now at the tens place we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we borrow 1 from the hundred place. At the hundred place we have 2. So this 2 will be 1 and at the tens place this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. Again at the 100 place we cannot subtract 6 from 1. So borrow 1 from the 1000 place. At the 1000 place 4 will be 3 and at the 100 place 1 will be 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Now at the 1000 place 3 minus 2, 1. So here we get the answer 1566. Now see the next one. Next one is, here the numbers are given 7123 and 5784. Here we have to subtract 5784 from 7123. So see at the unit place, here we have to subtract 4 from 3, but we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place 2 will be 1 and at the unit place 3 will be 13. Now 13 minus 4, 9. At the tens place again we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we borrow 1 from the 100 place. At the 100 place 1 will be 0 and at the tens place 1 will be 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Now at the 100 place we cannot subtract 7 from 0. So borrow 1 from the 1000 place. At the 1000 place 7 will be 6 and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 7, 3 and 6 minus 5, 1. So here we get the answer 1339. Now see this remaining 2 you have to solve by yourself. This is your homework. Now move to the question number 2. See, question number 2 is arrange vertically and subtract. So here we have to arrange the given numbers first vertically and then subtract. So see, the first one is 3245 minus 1127. Here we have to subtract 1127 from 3245. So first we arrange these numbers vertically. So let's arrange these numbers. See, 5 comes at the unit place, 4 tens, 200, 3000. Now we arrange the second number. So in the second number 7 is comes at the unit place, 2 tens, 100, 1000. Now subtract it. At the unit place we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So borrow 1 from 4. So this 4 will be 3 and this 5 is 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Now see the next one. Next one is 6007 minus 2345. Here we have to subtract 2345 from 6007. So first we make the box and then arrange the numbers. 7 is comes at the unit place, 0 tens, 6000. Now we arrange the second number. 5 comes at the unit place, 4 tens place, 300 place, 2000 place. Now subtract it. 7 minus 5, 2. Now at the tens place we cannot subtract 4 from 0. So we borrow 1 from the next place. But there is 0. So we borrow 1 from the 1000 place. So at the 1000 place 6 will be 5. At the 100 place this 0 is 10. Then 10 will be 9. And at the tens place 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So here we get the answer 3662. Here we get the answer 3662. Now see the next one. Next one is 6037 minus 4043. So arrange these numbers. 7 is comes at the unit place, 3 tens, 0 100, 6000. Now we arrange the second numbers. So in the second number 3 is comes at the unit place, 4 tens, 0 100, 4000. Now subtract it. See at the unit place 7 minus 3, 4. But at the tens place we cannot subtract 4 from 3. So borrow 1 from the next place. But there is 0. So we borrow 1 from 1000 place. At the 1000 place we have 6. So this 6 will be 5 and at the 100 place this 0 will be 10. Now this 10 will be 9 and at the tens place 3 will be 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. So here we get the answer 1994. See the next one. Next one is 4752 minus 2384. So let's subtract these numbers. So for that, first we arrange these numbers vertically. So first, which number we arrange? First number 4752. Now we arrange the second number 2384. Then subtract it. See, at the unit place we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place 5 will be 4, and at the unit place 2 will be 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Now at the tens place we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So borrow 1 from the hundred place. At the hundred place 7 will be 6, and at the tens place 4 is 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Now at the hundred place 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. So here we get the answer 2368. Now see the next one. Next one is 4004 minus 3156. So arrange these numbers. Now subtract it. See, at the unit place we cannot subtract 6 from 4. So we borrow 1 from the next place. But there is 0 at the tens and hundred place. So we borrow 1 from the thousand place. At the thousand place 4 will be 3, and at the hundred place 0 will be 10. Then this 10 will be 9, and at the tens place this 0 will be 10. Now at the tens place this 10 will be 9, and at the unit place 4 will be 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. So here we get the answer 848. See the next one. Next one is 8042 minus 3129. So arrange these numbers. Now subtract it. See, at the unit place we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So borrow 1 from the tens place. At the tens place 4 will be 3, and at the unit place 2 will be 12. Now 12 minus 9, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Now at the hundred place we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So borrow 1 from the thousand place. At the thousand place 8 will be 7, and at the hundred place 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 3, 4. So we get the answer 4913. So here we solve 6 sums of the question number 2. Now see, remaining 6 questions you have to solve by yourself. This is your homework. Here we complete this exercise.